Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're doing our Cricut video and we are making this absolutely adorable little Cauldron lollipop holder. Isn't that fun? Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Right, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into Design Space and you want to go where it says Halloween Fun Projects for All. Now you can either go to the right and click where it says View All or just click on the project here. We are making the Cauldron lollipop holder. Going to click on that. This brings up the preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. Alright, so we have our pieces here. I'm going to right click on and choose Ungroup. So we have a black piece and these two blue pieces. Upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on Make It. So we'll need one mat for that piece and one mat for the little black piece, or you can put it all on one mat, which is what I'm going to do. So I have my black piece selected. The upper left hand corner you'll see a circle with three dots. Go ahead and click on that and choose Move Object. I'm going to move that to mat 1 or the blue mat. Go ahead and click on Confirm. So I'm able to bring this down to the lower right hand corner and put just a piece of scrap of black cardstock there, then a scrap in the upper left hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and put our project together. Alright, we are back. Everything is cut out, and I did do some stamping on this piece here. You probably can't see it, but I did use one of May's stamps. It's called Celestial. We used that last week, and I just used the bubbles to make it look like there was like little bubbles coming out of the cauldron. Alright, let's go ahead and score it on the score marks. The nice thing is that this is super easy to make, and you're able to make 3 of them with 1 sheet of cardstock. Alright, I'm going to get my glue. I'm using the Barely Art glue. I'm just putting a little bit along the bottom. And putting that there. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I love little treat boxes like this. So cute. And it could not be any easier. Alright, so we have that done. Now, to keep this closed, I'm going to use some little foam squares. I'm going to squish the backing off of them. Grab your lollipop. I'm just using blow pops. Put it in there. And go ahead and close it. Okay, now you can stop there if you want to, but I'm going to jazz it up and add some twine. And I just had a white twine, if you can see that. I just had white twine and I took a black marker to it. And then tie this into a little bow. Isn't this cute? Alright, then just fix the loops. Alright, and then cut the tails off. Super easy, right? And it stands. How cute is that? Right? So there's that one. There's that one there. Alright, there you have it. A super easy Cricut project. Any questions, guys, let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.